guys, welcome to another soap video. It's a little late just because got sick, but feeling a lot better now. I'm basically a 100 right now at this point. Words. But in this video, we're just going to show you how to reprocess your scraps, how I did these basically, and just giving a new purpose to these old soaps, and also recreating my failed soap. So let's go ahead and watch that tutorial. welcome back. So, like I said, sorry about all the clothing changes. I got sick when I was like about to record my intro and outro to edit this video, and I just wanted to step away, not have to touch soap while I was feeling gross. But anyway, so we repurposed that other soap, that failed soap, and I already stamped these guys. I'm still trying to figure out how to work the stamp specifically, just so that way it looks a little prettier instead of this. Oh, but that was some weird mess. But now you can definitely see all of that coming together. Still smells like pomegranate. I did add a little bit of rose essential oil, so that way it's its own thing separate from my other pomegranate soap. And then we combined all of our Christmas soaps. So this is the coffee one, the one that I accidentally broke. And then also the frosted juniper for the winter wonderland. And then I put little gingerbread men at the top that I had left over. And then this one is kind of like my year scraps into one. So it has a little bit of my Helio soap in it, a little bit of Devotion in it. I did add a little bit of the Temptation one, but the newer one actually. The newest pomegranate one that I just recently made. And a little bit of, actually I think that was it. Helios. Yeah, that's everything that I added into this one. So this one I tried to shape them with the flowers, but they didn't come out as pretty as I expected. And then this is the little small one. And these are all going to be part of my January line that will be on the website, which, by the way, by the time that this video uploads, there's going to be a revamped website for the new 2020 year. And it's just going to be our redo line. And then just a little bit of a update, since this is going to be like my first video of the year of 2022. Happy New Year! But we are changing up a lot of stuff. We will not be going to as many farmers markets as we were last year. And that's a whole long story. I'm not going to get into that. But we have a lot of stuff going on this year that we have to plan for. And our wedding. But we have that stuff to plan for. We have a lot of like special things that we're changing in our shop that are going to be going towards this year. So I'm thinking I'm going to probably step back from the markets, get a little bit more time to actually focus on the little small details before I head my way back into the markets, if I decide to still do that. But I will still be uploading weekly on YouTube, and I might open even a vlogging channel just because I really did enjoy doing the Vlogmas. It's a lot of fun to be able to explain to you guys all of the different insights to the business. Plus we're going to be doing a lot of videos showing like the different like preparation to our wedding, what we're going to be including in it, just fun vlogs, crafts, all of the above. So I'm excited for that too. And my ring is currently getting resized. I feel naked without it. But yeah, that's basically this video. I will let you guys know as soon as these soaps go on sale, which they should be going on sale on the 1st by the time that this video goes up. But other than that, keep an eye out for it on Instagram, as they will be on a post there, so that way you guys can check them out. I'm so excited about them. And I'm excited about the new updates and the new year. Go ahead and let me know in the comments what you're excited for this year, and what else you would like to see for this upcoming year, as I am starting to set up everything that I'm going to be creating. Thank you so much, guys.